நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
We have to be one and all and one together. Only then we can fight with the illness and bring out wellness to every member, not only of our own country.
Don't try to reform everyone around us. Let us try to change ourselves. We have complete power over ourselves, our thoughts, the words we speak, and the actions. So don't try to say that I'm going to change. They will change by themselves.
Be free from fear. Be free from egoism. Be free from jealousy.
So Avai said, "Ariyadu ketkin nadiyadu velu, aridu maanilarai pirathal aridu." If you ask me what is the rarest of the rarest of the rarest is being born as a human being.
You are not a bony animal, you are a brainy. And we talk so much about our brain power. Fruits are the only one which will give you the brain power because it is not taking the other energy for digestion. जीवन में फल पाने के लिए फल प्रयोग करो.
The mind is so powerful, so vast. If we think that heavens and the earth is big, the mind can conquer the heaven and go much beyond and see what is beyond that. That is the power your mind has.
That our forefathers, when they were working in the field, they were more healthier. They never had any diabetes problem. They never had any indigestion problem. They never had any joint pains problem. The reason is when they were walking bare feet and working in the field, the pressure points were already being done. While walking bare feet, they used to get the pressure points activated.
Wellness is basically a preventive aspect. It is not something when we get disease we think of wellness.
Wow, 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 wow. I love my world of wellness. I create my world of wellness. I celebrate my world of wellness. Wow, 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 wow.
I take this as a honor to introduce this 5th World Wellness Congress and the World of Wellness. I truly appreciate the committed service of thousands and thousands of wellness ambassadors, wellness missionaries, and wellness volunteers working, serving day in and day out, participating, creating the wellness consciousness to create wellness world. Today, the world is moving towards the world of illness. Billions of people are victims of this illness system. Every day, millions of people are falling victim to the illness system and they become the ambassadors of illness. Many people who are healthy are searching for illness. All those who are sick are also searching for illness. More and more people are falling into the industry called illness. We cannot allow this to go and grow. We cannot allow people to suffer and lose their wellness in their everyday life. We have to take massive action, immediate action to reverse this flow from illness to wellness. Fear is the most important cause for all diseases and illnesses. Even though we are born with divine love, the majority of people are now living in fear. Imagine a life living from love instead of living from fear. We are born to be well and we are born to be rich. Wellness is our birthright. Our life is directed towards wellness just like any other living being on this planet. The human body is infinitely intelligent. Everything, every action, every signal, symptoms that body gives to done with a purpose. The human body does not know how to be sick. Not one single cell or tissue or organ within the body is designed to be sick or diseased. In fact, the body knows exactly what to do to survive and to be healthy for as long as possible. We are all born with life scripts for living full, long, healthy lives. Animals instinctively know what they need to do in order to survive without going to the hospital or replacing a limb or an eye through surgery.